In this module, we're going to be taking a look at troubleshooting a collection of Cisco iOS features. The first feature we want to troubleshoot is NTP, Network Time Protocol. Devices in a network need to agree on what time it is. Then we'll take a look at syslog. With syslog, we could have a router send a message of a specific severity level out to a server, a logging server, a syslog server. Next, we'll check out SNMP, Simple Network Management Protocol, and then IPSLA, IP Service Level Agreement, which allows us to send probes out into a network to check on network conditions. And finally, in this module, we'll take a look at troubleshooting PBR, policy-based routing. Remember that policy-based routing allows a router to override the decision that it would be making based on its IP routing table with the policy that we configure. And again, we're going to be taking a look at some common troubleshooting issues for these Cisco iOS features.